Welcome back, everybody. The news when I get for now today now about the VP when be Yemi Osibanjo, aka the Aram boy. Okay. The man don't talk many things before, but now the one now when he talk recently. Now that one we want to talk about today. In don't come and tell the word say Nigerian people no need any help from anybody or from any foreign government. Nigerian people no need help. When we say every now and then, they run go to China, they run go meet America, they go run go meet World Bank, say, need the money, need the billions, need trillions. But today, in the talk, say, they don't need help. I'm not just understand. So, but if you say you no need help, that is, una don't loot belefu, una don't thief us belefu, una don't thief our oil, sell our oil belefu, personalize the money. Today now this word, the VP Osibanjo, they tell the world, say they don't need help again. I wonder. Funkidi say, we Nigerian people, we the masses, we need help from American government. If we don't need help, I say we, the Nigerian people, need help from the American government. Because una don't loot belefu. That is why una don't need help again. But we need help. So that Donald Trump go come take us away from una. He go come separate us from una. The money when una don't loot, that one don't dey una okay. That is why una don't need. But we need help because a lot of problem dey in that country. When we say we need American people to come help us out because we are in danger. We are in danger. Boko Haram, they herdsmen, they kill them, kidnappers everywhere. And this man go come and come tell us, say, we don't need help. I not just understand. I say we need help. We need the American people to come take us away from where una dey. So that American people will come take Biafran people come more from where una dey. We not need to be together with una because una don't loot belefu. Una don't chop belefu. Una family don't chop belefu. So for you to come out to tell the world, say, una not need any foreign government to come and help una. Funkidi say, we need American people right now. We need Donald Trump government right now to come help us out because the situation when una put us, we not feel bear them again. We not feel day together with people when we say we they call say now una be our leaders, whereas now una they kill our people. Now una they loot our treasury. Now una they loot our wealth. They go hide in foreign nations. And today, you go get the guts to come out to come tell us say we don't need help. After una don't go bring a foreigner from Sudan. Why Nigeria not go be the way when him be today, ladies and gentlemen? The reason why Nigeria be the way when he be today now because of the foreigner, the impostor when they for Asoro, when Osibanjo join, bring come. And at the thing when they disturb Osibanjo today because the contract when Osibanjo don't sign with the caliphate people. The contract when they don't sign with the Kabas, you don't know how you want to pull in head come out. That is why you see the situation in Aso Rock today, the situation around that Osibanjo today, he don't know how waiting him go do again. But even him coming out to tell the world, say, they don't need help. There is something behind it. Then push and come out again, can't talk like this. But that one not mean say, after you don't talk finish, we go quiet. No. We are not going to be quiet on this matter. The whole matter when they for grand in that country, not be matter when we see we go quiet. They look on her. You go come and call the talk, say Nigerian people don't need help. Funkidi say we need better help from foreign nations. We need better help from American people so that American people will come save us. We cannot stay with you people again. We are tired of living together with you people. The southeastern part of the country and the northern part of the country will not get anything in common. So we are very tired. So for you to come out to the talk say Nigerian people not need help, now you are that one na your own opinion, na your own personal opinion, Mr. Osibanjo. Now una opinion also rock people. People, now this one a joke, ladies and gentlemen, for Osibanjo to come and come to tell the world say Nigerian people not need help. With all these things one day for grand, Osibanjo, you are joking. You are joking. Look at the situation in the country. You not fit do anything. Today you they come and they talk say you not need help. When you not fit even defeat ordinary Boko Haram. When they not reach how many? Herdsmen they kill. No day when that man when Osibanjo come and come address the issue of herdsmen. No day at all. No single day since when he assumed office as VP of the zoo. Now you come and they tell the world say, oh, we don't need help. What do you mean you don't need help? Before you know what in the happen now, you go run, go China with Jubri, say you need $400 billion. Tomorrow you go say, America, can't give us money. You run, go World Bank, say you need money. And they come and talk, say, you don't need help. What do you mean you don't need help? American people, ladies and gentlemen, American people label Nigerian people because, say, the terrorists when they that country, they not trust anybody again in that country. That's why American people say nobody go they come inside that America as far as say you hold a Nigerian passport. And because of this same Osibanjo, make you not forget say before Osibanjo himself don't still run go meet VP Mike Pence. I mean American Mike Pence. Go tell and say herdsmen matter when they talk say say na minor thing, say not be so. The same man when a be lie. And he say na pastor, he say na prophet, he say na professor. A country where professor they rule, nine look like a forest. So for Osibanjo himself to get that gut to come and say Nigerian people they don't need help, and not just understand that claim. That claim, na fake claim. We need help. We need to be liberated from these people when the oppressors, when be the Nigerian government, APC cabals, APC criminals, APC looters. We need serious help from American people. Urgent help is needed in that country. Without urgent help, we no go. In fact, that Nigeria no go be in place again. We need urgent help from American people. If una when don't loot us, una say una don't need help. That is your own opinion. But we 200 million Nigerian people, most especially people from the southeastern part of the country, we need help. We need to go. We need to waka, leave the zoo. Osibanjo, make you know they come out to. In fact, I don't even know the face when these people they take come out in the national television to they take the talk. And I wonder people when they listen to these people, when they say they don't fail. I just wonder. Everything when they happen in that country, now these same people, now then create all this problem, create and put for granted. In the name of say, then they hustle for power. In the name of say, na me go be, if I not be, I go spoil the country, I go make sure say, how many times the Northerners don't brag? The same Northern people when we say that they deal with Nigerian people, when today from Kidi say he not still understand waiting be Nigerian people problem when we say we still they go they follow this Northern people. People when they claim say they not go school. The only thing when Buhari do na cow bring 2 fake result come. The 2 result when they bring on no one tally. I mean his certificate no one tally. All of them, you know. Before, ladies and gentlemen, this Oluwole when they Lagos State, not be today Oluwole come to existence. Then when the time when these people they very very young, these people now when be saying our leaders, including this Buhari when don't die, including the result when they go come out. I mean the certificate when they say certificate when it take go school, all of them are manufactured by Oluwole. People when be say that they seriously educated, they not even get job. Now still Nigeria you go see person when be say in claim say na graduate bet na danfo driver in be. Some of them na keke then they ride. Then they na Okada, all of them they ride. In same Nigeria there. But the na people when they rear cow come be something. Every now and then I would hear the issue of forged certificate. Look at this one now, what's still happen. Leon, when be former governor of, as the case may be, ladies and gentlemen, former governor of this state now, Bayelsa, the deputy. Then they accuse the deputy, just the same thing when they accuse Buhari, say the man say na forged certificate, it take coming. If you check Leon himself, the same. If you check this Osebanjo, and when they claim say na professor in this, in that, only God know about that man. Because lies fool their mouth. All of them now, Luole, they carry up and down. Okorocha them. Okorocha will tell you now, say, in graduate in America. Then, look at the situation in the country. Everywhere is on fire. We don't hear now say, this man now want travel to UK, want travel to Arab, the Jubri, want travel to different countries. Again, they don't come deny him again. Now then go come and come give us news. At the end of the day, they go still begin deny him. And before you know, the man don't travel. You go here, say, they London, they UK, they here, they there, they there. The same people. And the country is on fire. Why we no go need help? Why we no go need help? When these people that they call bandit, all of them are Boko Haram and Hezbollah people. Why we no go need help when government no go fit even pronounce terrorist, say na terrorist? Why we no go need help? Look at what happened in Borno State. Look at what happened in Katsina State. Look at what happened in Delta State. Look at what happened everywhere in Nigeria. And this man they claim say Nigeria, we need help. We need to survive. If America not come, all of us will go die put for this matter of Boko Haram and Hezbollah. So it is high time now, make with everybody just go their way. We need help, or say Banjo, make you know they come out again. We need help. Gabashewu, Funkidi say, we need help. Femi Adesina, when they come and when they sabi lie, Yoruba man, we need help. They gonna stop to the come and they tell us, say, we don't need help. That one a talk. Now joke, all of them they joke. Nigeria need serious help from foreign nations. Now only when we need money, we will talk say we need help from people. But if Boko Haram and Hezbollah they slaughter people, we don't need help again because now on agenda to Islamize, now on agenda to kill. Because now they can they threaten people when be on our oppositions. That they no come out in 2023. Because the example that they show now, ladies and gentlemen. Now they want to take kill. 2023 never reach. Now when that 2023 don't they approach, you go see what thing go happen in that country. Now joke that they joke. I mean this Boko Haram and Hezbollah, because they don't already plan everything down. Say they no go leave that power to anybody. We need help because we don't want to stay with the Northerners again. We need help because the killing in that country it did too much. When they power on claim say Buhari don't brag, promise, talk, nyan, say now he must do, now he sabi do everything. Today now we don't see say all of them, both APC, both Buhari when don't die, both the Jubri when bring come from Sudan, all of them don't fail. That thing when they hide, when a package in when they inside that Sorok, it must to come out. I say we need help. Now you're talking about we don't need help. So, ladies and gentlemen, I say we need help. So, the issue when concerned, the only people when we need to come and help us, and we know say, when Donald Trump won't help us, he will help us with his good heart. We need Donald Trump to step in. Because this one not be governance. The thing when they practice in Nigeria not be democracy. Not be democracy, ladies and gentlemen. Anybody when they tell you say that democracy in Nigeria, they lie to you. Anybody when they claim say APC then try or PDP then try, then they lie to you. They don't want make on that. Though we know say that fake news that they give those people when they Nigeria. Then once they enter that their channel television, forget it. You know? So we need help. If our government cannot help, if our government cannot be able to fight Boko Haram and Hezbollah, the people when the terrorist people when they kill Nigerian people, so make foreign government come fight for us. So this man, what do they call Mbaka? When we say now, everybody know who Mbaka be. Mbaka follow bring Jubri from Sudan. All of them plan the whole thing. Mbaka, he follow put Jubri back to power in this 2019. The same Mbaka now don't come out again. When Sabi give prophecy, now only him be the prophet when did the whole world. Now only the Sabi give right prophecy. I mean, you give, you go confirm. Only him with his adoration ministry. The man don't come out again because recently, this thing when they happen in Bayelsa State, this same man don't come out, come prophesy again. Because people, according to what in the news they tell us, the news tell us say get one viral video when the satanic Mbaka they talk say Dari, the man when you know the federal court now don't talk say na him win election in Bayelsa State, don't talk say the man no go last 2 weeks in power or in the position of power when he don't sit down put. Now remember now, Mbaka now news they tell us Mbaka give another prophecy say the man no go last reach. Say he get some people, you know, when post the video, when everybody they see, Mbaka now don't talk say man that man no go last 2 weeks in position of power. Say even say not be APC person and not be PDP person go fit control or go fit grab that power in Bayelsa State. Say another person entirely according to what in the news they tell us. But Mbaka himself now, as usual, don't come out again, can't deny. Say that video, say not being talk anything. But now Mbaka face then see in the video the yarn. But then now they just, man, what kind of people be all these people? You don't can't deny them now. But they say now in face, when they talk, can't talk say, now don't deny say not talk anything like that. Say now, people when be say them be satanic agents. Here now them, they after him. They won't bring down his ministry. They won't make sure say the man fall. They won't make sure say make people ignore the Vara video. You understand? So Mbaka to start with is never a prophet. Mbaka himself. No time when nothing like nobody is a prophet in that country. Nobody. Everything what they tell him na fraud. The man na prophet of his pocket, as you see and so. Because na in pocket that man they fight for. Not be say just you know, it's just a normal politician like all this them Oshomole and them Bola Tinubu, them all of them are the same thing. It's not a prophet. They never get any prophet in that country. All the whole thing where they talk now, waiting they don't go come out. All the whole thing now, waiting they don't go listen in maybe YouTube videos. They will just come and can't change them, write them, rewrite them, you know. They'll come rehearsal before they'll just come and come tell their people. Now know their people now because those people when see they follow them. All of them now the same kind of people. Because no person when get right when no normal person when go just sit down they listen to all these people. Because everything when they talk, everything when they tell us now why you no normal person will come sit down they listen to all these fake prophets them when they claim say them be prophet when they not that country. So Mbaka don't deny say in non-yan. He not be him. See that video make people ignore her. He not be him there inside the video. And not being can't talk anything. Now the thing when Mbaka they tell people. When already then they talk see the video show Mbaka they talk see Dari no go last more than 2 weeks. So ladies and gentlemen, now the matter be that too. First of all, this man when be the Una VP, the errand boy to Abba Kyari and the madman Daura, he don't come out. Now he talk waiting in talk, say he no need help. But I just make this video for this man. Take the bunker, tell and say we need help. If he no need help, because they don't loot our money, tire. That is why they don't need help. We they suffer. And we cannot come together with these people again. You understand? There is no how when you go put Nigeria again as one. That is why they tell us, say, people, when the dog say they want this one Nigeria, I'm not just understand the one Nigeria. All of us follow, talk about this one Nigeria before. But ever since when they don't do that fraudulent election where they do. This is their fake election where they do. This is their world war election where they do. Now I turn my back for this one Nigeria, say, man. To follow Nnamdi Kanu will pay me more better than say I dey follow one Nigeria. To support Nnamdi Kanu is more better than say they follow this evil one Nigeria of a thing. To join Biafra, meaning is better than this one Nigeria. There is no time when Nigeria take be one, and it no go ever be one. With the situation on ground, check it out yourself. First of all, how you want to grab this power from these evil people? Evil northerners when they on power. Check them first. How you want to take when you don't take a look at what happened in 2019, you go begin to wonder. This brutal men, this blood-letting men, how you want to grab this power come up from these people? That is why it is better everybody from that country stand up. Stand up to fight this fight. Fight them out. Then at the end of the day, we go sit down around table. After we don't defeat this evil APC and PDP people. Then we go sit down. Then dialogue. People won't go. But if you say you won't carry them, what do you want carry? How you want to carry them from these evil people? Even this 2023 now when they come, they don't set their digging machine up and down everywhere. You see what they happen. Right from Supreme Court to all these things when they happen, then they truncate election, then they truncate this, they truncate that. How you want to carry them now first from these people? The only way when all this is possible, now say all of us come together, whether you be Igbo, whether you be Yoruba, you know, whether no matter where you come from, now coming together to fight these people out, that is the ultimate. After that, we go begin dialogue. This message, this thing where I talk, I don't talk many times. Last year, make una go check my videos. The only way when this thing possible to take this thing from these people, now for all of us to come together. Now the division when they among us, now make these people, then they succeed. The very first day when they go see, say, all of us stand together. These people, then go run, leave that democracy for we when be the masses. But if you say you go carry them, I don't know where you want to carry them. I don't know how you want to take them. I don't know how you want to do it. I don't know the magic where you go take carry the thing. The only possible means now for us to unite. Without unity, we are not going nowhere. Without coming together, no matter the agitation or what you they agitate, because this APC and PDP, they are together 247. That is why you say then they succeed. In everything, all the whole oppression, all the whole intimidation, then they succeed because they are together. Atiku Abubakar is equals to Jobri or Buhari. You cannot separate them. There is no how you can separate them. The only way you can defeat these people is for us to unite. After the unity, then we can dialogue, sit down on table and dialogue. But if you say you want to come alone, you hope 2023, or you hope 2030, you are making a very, very big mistake. A very, very big mistake. Because these people, they will fight you tooth and nail. But when they say we come together, I bet you, these people, then will give up this power to the Nigerian people. Because now we won't be the masses, now we be the power itself. Now the matter, when I get for now, with that, ladies and gentlemen, one love. I'll see you next time. Bye.